Hello, this is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. Well, it's free Webinar Wednesday again, and this week I'm going to answer the question, why does validating problems save time and money? We talked about how it's important to document the problem that you observe in the community that you want to solve. But the second piece of that is you have to validate that that problem is actually a problem. And in this webinar, I'm going to teach you how to do that, how to get the data to prove that the problem you want to solve actually exists. That's crucial. So you can use the link that's in the description to join me tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time for the free Zoom webinar answering the question, why does validating problems save time and money?